Honorable guest Dr. Manzoor H. Qazi, Chief Executive Officer, Shifa International Hospital, Dr. Habibur Rahman, Chairman, Shifa International Hospital, Dr. Muhammad Amir, Principal, Shifa College of Medicine, Professor Muhammad Iqbal, Vice Chancellor, Shifa Tamir Millat University, and respected delegates, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Organizing Committee of 14th ANRD, it is both an honor and privilege to welcome our distinguished keynote speaker, Dr. Malik Muhammad Adil, who is Assistant Professor of Neurology at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. He is also Site Director, Vascular Neurology Fellowship, National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke, National Institute of Health, USA, and Site Director, Walter Reed Neurology Residency Program, Bethesda, Maryland. Dr. Adil has received his MBBS from Shifa College of Medicine and did his Vascular Neurology Fellowship at National Institute of Health. He has more than 100 publications in his name. Today, Dr. Adil will enlighten us on a very important and relevant topic: why do research? Opportunities and career in research. Thank you, Dr. Adil, for gracing this occasion with your online presence from such a long distance and at odd hours. I believe it's midnight there in Maryland. I also take this opportunity to extend hearty welcome to our honorable judges, Professor Muhammad Athar Javed, former President of Pakistan Society of Neurology, Professor and Head Department of Neurology, Central Park Teaching Hospital, Lahore, and Head Neurology Department, National Postgraduate Institute, National Hospital, Lahore. Dr. Farooq Azam Rathore, Consultant and Head Department of Rehabilitation Medicine, PNS Shifa Hospital, Karachi. Dr. Sajida Naseem, Associate Professor, Community and Family Medicine, Shifa College of Medicine, Islamabad. Dr. Hassan Hashim, Associate Professor and Head of Neurology Department, Fauji Foundation Hospital, affiliated with Foundation University Medical College, Rawalpindi. We are lucky to have your active participation and keen judgment. Special welcome to all the residents, medical officers, students of medical and allied health sciences from different institutions of Pakistan and abroad, and my dear colleagues who are participating in this annual research promoting event via webinar. I do not have any financial disclosure. To report. Research is to see what everybody else has seen and to think what nobody else has thought. A famous quote by Albert Szent-Györgyi, a Hungarian physiologist who won Nobel Prize in 1937 for his discovery of vitamin C and the components and reactions of citric acid cycle. The idea of this academic activity was conceived in 2007 by our pioneer neurologist, Dr. Ismail Khatri, who presently is working in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The aim is to promote interest in academic neurology and ingrain research attitude among medical and allied health sciences students and young physicians, where young aspirants will be given a platform to unveil their research endeavors in neurology and related specialties. Initially, it was meant for medical students and postgraduate trainees of Rawalpindi and Islamabad, as evident from this poster of 2007. But later on, under the dynamic leadership of Professor Memona Siddiqui, it was decided to widen its range nationwide in 2016. And this year, we have international representation as well. So far, we have conducted ANRDs every year from 2007 till 2019, missed in 2020 due to COVID situation in the country. And this year, we opted for virtual ANRD for the first time. These are the number of abstracts submitted in ANRD. The minimum number of abstracts were 7 in 2009 and maximum number was 38 in 2018. In total, 248 abstracts are submitted in this forum so far. We appreciate young researchers' input so far, but also feel that not only the number of abstracts needs to be increased, but the quality of research needs to be improved in future as well. Foreseeing the need for improving the quality of medical research in this part of the world, we have introduced pre-conference workshops for better understanding the basis and methodology of research among medical and allied health sciences students. In 2017, we had 2 workshops, designing and writing a research project in healthcare, and in 2018, medical writing made easy, a step-by-step guide. In 2019, medical research and writing in Pakistan, challenges, opportunities, and solutions. And yesterday, we had a workshop on how to write and publish a research article conducted by Dr. Farooq Rathore online, and which was very well attended with international participation as well. Professor Akhtar Ahmed was a pioneer neurologist of Pakistan. He was a dedicated teacher and an excellent clinician, a role model for most of us. Professor Akhtar Ahmed's lectureship has remained a key feature of ANRD from the outset. And we have an honor of Professor Sahab's physical presence in the early sessions of ANRD. Here, the professors are present in the early conference and judging the oral presentation. Professors are judging the poster. Golden memories. Professors are with late Dr. Zahir Ahmed, founder and CEO of Shifa International Hospital. In this picture, you will see Professor Saab with late Professor Muhammad Tariq, who remained a great contributor in the success of ANRD over time. May Almighty Allah grant Professor Sahab highest place in Jannah and let us work hard to fulfill his dream of promoting neurology in Pakistan. Here, once again, I want to congratulate all the young researchers and their supervisors who have actively participated in this conference, in this event, and are the true force behind the provoking academic activity over the years. We appreciate pharmaceutical industry and philanthropists for their contribution. Special thanks to my team, media, and CMA department who helped in organizing this event. I'll end here with an announcement of 15th ANRD, which inshallah will be held on 27th August 2022, and we look forward for your active participation. Thank you.